How to use single line mode with architectural items. One of the architectural options that PractiCAD offers is to take our entities and put them into single line mode. Single line mode will effectively reduce the number of lines we have for our architectural entities. For example, in this drawing we currently have some walls, as we've highlighted here. We have steel beams, we have columns. We've also drawn some grills, flex, and also there's a slab at the bottom of this drawing. Right here we've got it highlighted. If we'd like to put these entities in single line mode instead of the 3D view you see them in, we need to go into the library icon underneath the PractiCAD ribbon. On the left hand side, what we're going to do is we're going to close down the ductwork and we're going to click on the word architecturals. Notice that we have the ductwork options open because we have ductwork checked, but if we highlight architecturals, now we can see the architectural options. Currently we have all of the different architectural items listed here, and you can see the different views that each of them are in. Currently they're all set to 3D view. You will notice by going to the column we've only got two choices, 3D view and single line. All we need to do is choose single line if we would like to see our columns in single line mode. In this tutorial we're going to take the columns and the steel first and we're going to put them in single line mode. Then we're going to hit the save key and then we're going to exit out of the library by clicking on the little close key. When we do this, you can already see that PractiCAD has now made the columns a single line and have also made the steel a single line. And we can continue to do this for pipe, bar joist, flex, or any other option you see in that particular section. By doing this, it'll allow you to have less lines when you go to plot. For example, now you'll notice that the steel background is simply straight single lines. One thing to notice is that when you are working in single line mode, PractiCAD is still capable of doing the collision detection. However, most of the time it's easier to work with your steel and entities in 3D view so that you can see a collision, but PractiCAD does know the actual height of this steel. For example, if I were to come and grab an elevation tag out of my tag, zoom into the drawing and click on it, you will see here that it still does know the actual height of the steel's top and the steel bottom, even though it is in single line mode. So this is a very handy option, especially to use when you're plotting. That'll conclude the tutorial on the architectural options using single line mode.